What's up, everybody? It's me, the Gaming Pickle, and I'm here with no one except my beautiful house. Pretty ugly, but I'm gonna be showcasing it because I see you likes. You loved my Witherstorm showcase. I just found out about 137 views, so I'm back at it again. Let's start off with the parkour. There's a little parkour if I ever got bored. And I do all this wood jumping. Sadly, there's too many stairs. More stairs! And then the rest is just some fence and iron bar and jumps. And the reward? All these! This world was way before the new update. Some things on the new update they don't, so that means yeah. And also I'm a big noob, but over never mind. But I put all these boats. I live on a water house. That's be my secret base. It's not too secret now. I have to be swimming like this. This is my secret base. See that one block? I go through it and then my secret base. Boom. There is just something over here. I have no plans for this. So now the rest of my secret base. I find things satisfying when you build them yourself. So I have no idea what I'm doing because there's too many creepers. This is my first bed because I built my secret base first. Yes, I know. Well, I built most of my house first, but then I want a secret base, so I worked on that instead. And here's just some command blocks and kind of getting. Nothing too exciting. Time for the part you've all been waiting for. My base. Don't mind that. Okay? Alright. I'll show you my room and everyone's room in a moment. So I'm gonna start from the bottom, work my way up. Here's my underwater tank. Yes, it has every ore. For some reason except iron. No idea why. It's missing iron. Copper, gold, I think. But no iron. That's just strange. Then there's those helmets that help you swim underwater and a trapdoor that lets you go underwater. Very cool. I think this theme of underwater aquatic thing was good for my underwater house. And it's right by my kitchen, so if I ever wanted to fish for dinner, I cook it up after that. I got some sweet fruit. I obviously have more cookies than anything. But next up is my brother's room. I put ender chest in here, but I didn't know if you take something out, the other ender chest has it, so oops, my fault. But it has full diamond armor. Yeah, not the best, but I get the OP stuff, okay? Yeah. A nice little nether table. My best friend's room. He's my best friend from school. He has one netherite. Hey, who? Why is it raining through the floor? Yeah, my friend, not my friend, school. to the stack. Boom. Blue's mine. Oh, I have all this ore. Oh, now I have too much ore. I don't do the normal blocks, but I do the ores. Desk plate, deep slate. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong, but I'm calling it deep slate. Deep slate, whatever it's called. I'm missing all these ores, and I'm missing all the iron, and I'm missing amethyst. What I think is it all. Oh, all the copper's moved up here. What's at the bottom? Just the same old. Whatever. I got distracted. Now it's time for the upstairs. I can't showcase everything. I'm going to try my best. Here's the balcony. You can see the parkour. Ooh, a little vine. Oh yeah, I put those there. Up I go, onto the roof now, up I go again. I'm just gonna fly up. Here's my art place. If someone tries to attack, I shoot them down. Not violent at all. Oh yeah, I abandoned my base if it's ever under attack. If it blows up, not my fault. Oh yeah, this is a little bit of my room. My room's the biggest part of the house. Bigger than the house sometimes. I don't know why there's honey there. In here used to be my old room. I have suspicious stew. I don't even know how to spell that. I forgot the G. And I can't even spell vision. Who cares? But at this point, I don't. Oh, I don't even have gold to make more netherite. Just no. Let me do my passage to my room. So I have some of this, not too crazy at all. I'm getting dressed, okay? But I really think I like my room better than my house. Even though it's part of my house, who cares about my house? I care about my room. I have nothing. Oh. Goodbye, everyone. It's my library. It's where I get all my enchantedness. Weak. What's down here? Oh, nothing. Just a ginormous room. Oh yeah, I'm not even done with my house. But I probably will let it finish. You think I'm really gonna build on this category? My house is a little too big on this side. Maybe I should add stilts. But that was my... Next is the emergency escape. If something ever goes really wrong, I have an emergency escape by the warped tree. If you step on it, you're supposed to have soul speed boots to escape on, but it's a quick little escape. Or if you need to escape through there, boom. But I think you would rather escape through there because they won't know where. Next up is this side. You used to take a bow over here, but who cares? These are my... I get a little carried away with designs, if you don't. You sell me empty maps. You sell me Ocean Explorer maps. You don't even sell me... Oh, here's my sandcastle. Too much fire! Yeah, if you mine like any deeper in one direction, I won't ever be using this for anything at all. What's the point of this sandcastle? Oh yeah, getting carried away with designs. Now I'm gonna show you what's this. I thought it was cool cause I'm a nerd, but who cares anymore? nerd, yeah. But for me, normally it would fill this up. Probably because I'm a nerd. Don't know how Minecraft physics work. Now for one of the last things. Well, I have 5 minutes left before my thing automatically stops recording. Too many vines. Oh look, a mine shaft. And if you go this way, I said this way, you will be able to find my water nerd thing. Ah, there it is. See, you can find anything. Alright, I feel like I'm missing something, except the nether portal. I have no idea if I have anything cool in here. Yeah. Alright, I'll be right back with you. This is made for if I pranked my brother if he ever. The destruction zone, one of my favorite places I made. So much destruction. It took forever to build. And oh yes, oh the gold chain is weirder. Follow the gold down. Hopefully I have enough time to show this. But if you follow the gold down into more of the destruction zone, you can find some bedrock down here. Don't have night vision. Oh, it's gonna be dark. Used to be way more lava and cool parkour sections, but who cares? Oh yeah, he got almost the diamonds. Well, it's cool because a glow squid. Oh my goodness, that's so cool. I haven't played this ever since the Nether update, so this world's not up to date. But there's the destruction zone. There's the ender dragons. I better speed this up. I get a little carried away with designs. Boom, 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 bang, boom. My throne. Oh, I have put. Never mind. Who cares? Let's go to his house before my video automatically ends. We're bad. Here's his little cottage with his little farm, some Pikachu banners. Yes, I made the Pikachu banners. I found out how. He loves Pokemon, by the way. You should also go check out Omega Cougar 68's channel, who's my brother. I play a lot of games with him, so better check him out because he has great content. So go support him by subscribing. Also, you go subscribe to my sister, Layla BW. That's a YouTube channel name. So Mega Cougar 68, it just paused all by itself, but go subscribe to my sister and brother's channel, Omega Cougar 68 without any spaces, and Layla BW, no spaces. Alright, that's all. Alright, now what should my next video be? Oh, I'm still recording. I get ahead of myself. But while you guys are still here, I have time to show you one last thing. So, this is the one that got the most views. Yep. So, this is what you guys like. I built this entire village